to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And when you see Dwayne, you know that he has a lot to say. So go ahead over and go and catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their beautiful birthdays today, have a happy, happy birthday. And I wish you nothing but the best this year. Prosperity, joy, and everything that is yours today, that you will receive it throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my family, my friends, subscribers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful day today. And ensure that you are taking the right step in the right direction at all times. Keep prayed up and ensure that you're living the life that you want to live without boundaries. Have a great one.
Evil, narcissistical people. You're flipping narcissists, and all of you need flipping God. You need God. I can't help you anymore. Many of you are unworthy to be my flipping present. Me telling you, come off. What about, why did you come? Why the hell did you flipping come? Don't come. I never invited you here. Didn't you see when Majesty was on here promoting people to drag people and their children, especially their children who had cancer? Didn't you see that come and talk about that lady? Did you not see that come and talk about it? Why could you not bring light to that conversation? You did not, because you're with them. You're a flipping hypocrite, and you won't last. They don't like you. They don't like you. I'm telling you categorically, they don't like you. I'm gonna let you hear something to point, to show you, to prove to you they will never flipping accept you. You're a flipping hypocrite. And hypocrisy must be stamped out at all flipping cost. You and the rest of you must be obsolete. You must be flipping obsolete. Eradicated from social media. Annihilated from social media. You must all go. Because none of you are doing nothing progressive out here. Nothing at all. And hello, I'm not cursing you. I'll never come on you and curse with any of you. I'm telling you the flipping truth. You are a flipping hypocrite. You lady. Keep kissing their ass. Let's see how far it's going to get you. In life, if you're going to take up blogging, stand the hell alone. You stand a better position on here when you're alone. Not being in teams. And here you are trying to choose side to the point where you came out here and speak ill of things that's been gone how long ago. How dare you? You're just like them, a narcissist. I pity you. You know, hello? You're not flipping President General. You're vermin. Yes, neutral grounds me. That is how blogging ought to be. This woman is not flipping neutral. She's not. She's a flipping vermin. You're a kiss ass. Timothy keeps sharing you. I know. Which means they have you. You have no choice but show them you're flipping loyal to them. So here is your orientation. Here is you coming out here to pledge to them your flipping loyalty. Come out here, call out Lorraine, call out Maxine, call out Tinchin, call out Lorraine, when there's far greater things you could have called out on here than bringing up old conversations. Don't you see many things happening right now? Could you not have called those out? Why bring back things that's been gone how many months ago? Shit, last year. A very long time ago. Why bring that back to the forefront? You're trying to shit start. You want him to come out here and call you. Hello, none of you call her. None of you call her name. She wants to call her name. She wants clout. She's thirsty. She's hungry. She's craving clout. You will never get it. They don't like you, lady. They don't. And here's why they don't flipping like you. And I'm done after this with you. I'll never blog about you again, you. unless you come out here and say something that I deem as significant enough to come in here and speak about it. This is mediocre. This is trash. This belongs in the flipping garbage. Sorry, but not sorry.
Mad, crazy advice. And when we see you cursing other people, especially people who have said nothing to generate this kind of reply from you, this kind of response from you. Have our pensioner and the whole 9 yard. This coming from you as the face. Now
you know, lady, to show you how much they don't like you, they did a comparison with you and Lady V, and you hear how low they went with you. They would never accept you, never, unless you do something else. And very much that they're going to accept you anyway, because you're going to be stealing their flipping clout. So they will never accept you. You're wasting your flipping time. Go and find something more productive to do with your time than come in here and pick on people who ain't troubling you. What is your problem? Relax. You're flipping antagonist. That's what you're, flipping antagonist.
Dress on our thing. It causes us to think. Have our mind. And this is why a lot of businesses on social media is not doing as well as it could be doing.
Let's go into unnamed person, unnamed.
Well, if them are more like a hustle, you know, and not even a real business. Like a little quick hustle. That's what a man say. Yeah. Some time ago, there was this lady who started attacking this other individual who conducts a form of charity in Jamaica.
You know,
she came.
You know, let me. You know, one thing I must say about Ashanti. Before we go into this part, you know what I've analyzed about Ashanti. He's very flipping immature. To be a 50-odd-year-old man, Ashanti's in his 50s, 50 plus. And to hear how they're going to speak about this woman, that tells me these people, they think they're small children. They do. Ashanti thinks he's a small boy. He does. Ashanti, you are on your way to 6 feet. Hello? You won't last long. Not that I'm on here putting anything on you, but the older we get, we are heading that route faster. You're getting old, flipping old. Why are you on here acting like a flipping 15-year-old? You're not. You're flipping not a 15-year-old, sir. Act your age. You're acting like a little child. My nephew should be acting like how you are behaving on here. Not you. Not your age range, Ashanti. When are you going to wake up and realize life should be more than this? You are a tormentor. Your days are limited. Why are you on here being a tormentor? Why are you pulling those planks to their flipping destruction with you? Why, Ashanti? I feel bad for those nasty planks on your page. I do. And that's the God I love. I'm not on here dragging any of you, but I feel bad for all of you nasty, unscrupulous people. I do. Some of your names I once rubbed shoulders with. I'm like, Jesus Christ. These people really have lost their sense of selves. They have losing the self. You have, yes, come off my damn page. Actually, as some planks come, they felt the flipping stone. They felt ashamed, so they ran away. You nasty, unscrupulous entity. You're flipping nasty. And that means I'm damn nasty. And I won't ever change my perception of you until you people break up your flipping folly ground. Remember your grandma's teachings. Break up your folly ground. When are you going to break up yours? You nasty, non-progressive people. nasty and non-progressive elements, entities. That is the plants on Ashanti and Porty. And I don't give a flipping shit. I'm telling the flipping truth. I told no lies. Dwayne, I hate. What is the topic? Are you late? Son, it's fine, my girl. Just listen how Ashanti is going to deal with this person who's trying to insert herself in their fraternity. Just listen what they're going to... Listen what they're going to talk about her, say. She's too damn enough.
So now I call her name, but we can't figure out all of the players then.
Listen
When
to this
them
man.
attack, dumb people.
Listen to this man. Dumb people. Don't.
We can't figure out all of the name. Most of them people here,
Most of
they
them
just want
people.
some people are pull down them business
I
and to make
pull on that
talking points. And the real
talking point.
business them have.
I don't business them
From
home.
nowhere,
Oh.
she started attacking this individual. Before you know it, she had other people joining up with her.
Oh, God.
It so happened that she fell out with one of these individuals.
You know?
And the individual she fell out with came out and made claims against her that she had actually spat in some food that she had given to that woman. Those were the allegations. She spat in the food that she had given. Wait, that woman here watch everything behind the scenes.
You hear him?
Jellyface this and crackly teeth.
You hear him? This is the flipping child. Ashanti's a flipping child. Now I know for a fact I will never curse with you ever again. You know why? Because you're a flipping child. And grown people don't go back and forth with children. Respectfully, we don't. You're a flipping child. And those other fools on your page are toddlers. Flipping toddlers who's been manipulated. Poor things.
Face. That woman here watch everything even before she turned black, man.
I look so
She watch everything. When she says spot. Jaja.
Listen to
Jaja. Don't go on listen here.
You hear? Listen to what he just said. He just said spat, okay? He just said spat. S-P-A-T. I'm going to show you how uneducated he is too. Wait. Listen.
Man, I watch everything, man. Listen. All of the mix-up, man. Although she speak is spooky, she know all of the mix-up them who are going.
Listen.
To the woman, for that particular woman and her children to consume. And within a particular woman and one day, jaw them a drop left her bone them. And she looks so terrible. One day for the spot, we're going at the food. Cause you know them one day sick, you know. So I want them for the spot, we're going at the food. But them look like them are dead, so them are dead before them time. Them look like a walking dead. One day for the food.
Did you always say one day if it was a spat that went in the food? Being uneducated is a hell of a thing. Ashanti, you're a disgrace to flipping humanity. You're a disgrace to your parents. I wonder if it was a spat, the spat that went in the food. The spat. The spat that went in the food. Does that sound credible? Does that sound... How does that sound to you? The spat that went in the food. The spat. Oh my God, the flipping spat that went in the food. Imagine. No, Sonny, missing the point. It's a long time story. There was more stories she could have picked up on. Why I go back to old story. Old. But in other news, Ashanti said, the unnamed person said, Wonder if it was a spat that went in the food. What is a spat? I'm wondering. I can't seems to. It's not landing. I'm not grabbing the spat. God. Oh Lord.
Well, God soon, people. And her children to consume. Time scale. We didn't hear it. We hear that this person is now making cakes. Jaja. And sell.
Me, DC, this man is a fool. He's not just on. He's not only a fool. He's a flipping dunce fool. How can he be my flipping boss? Don't you see? Now I understand why they used you the way they did. I get it now, because you're a flipping dunce fool. Why could they not use anyone else but you and Porty? Both of you uneducated fools. Oh my God! I laughed. I flipping laughed. Ignorance.
On social media.
Very.
Lady. What are we buying from these people?
Very.
Lady, are ready for this? What are we consuming from them? What are we spending our monies on? Some of the worst are the worst. Social media in a certain way. All we see is hatred and bitterness. How can we be sure that behind our backs, because we know there are a lot of Green, you're right about that. We know that there are a lot of evil people around. How can we be sure that our food is being prepared in a way, in a clean way? How can we be sure that? How can we be sure that
Did you hear? Someone corrected him in the comments because they realized he's a flipping dunce. Them don't want people to laugh, but I been already laughed. I flipping laughed. I laughed. Let's hear again. Sonia, why couldn't she speak about the Orbia? Why go back to the flipping old conversation as if she's trying to pick a strife with the people? Don't you see? She's clout hungry. She's flipping hungry for clout. Running to go get the vaccinated against go get vaccinated against ignorance, as you should, my girl. Go and get it. I need to get it too. I need to get the vaccination against flipping dunce people like him. A flipping dunce fool. A flipping dunce old fool. Blunt. Sharp.
If you put yourself... So when me hear woman and say them a spot, you know what always go for a little spot of red sitting.
Listen. He's trying to justify his mistake. Because someone corrected him in the flipping comments. Imagine. See what I'm telling you, none of you can drag me. None of you fools can drag me. I'm far greater than all of you. Don't see me now kiss nice and I'm still doing fine. I don't have to kiss my tongue. Go away, bottom kisses. The bottom kisses, Ashanti and Erica. Oh my God. And hello, I'm not picking a strife or a war. I'm telling the flipping truth. A dunce flipping old bottom kisser. And the planks are flipping toddlers, uneducated fool. Most of those planks are dunce people too. I promise you, dunce as hell.
So I'm a little confused, but...
Birds of a feather tend to flock together. That's why the planks are so flipping backward. The spot is Right! Let me pin you. I hope he sees it. I hope he will see it. Kind the fuck off. Watch me. Watch me. Let me pin you. Did it pin? Yes, spot is different word from spat. See when you're flipping uneducated. I keep on telling you guys, education is a beautiful weapon. Being educated is a beautiful weapon. You think it's jokes? Spell weapon, dance planks. Ashanti spell weapon too. Spell onomatopoeia. I bet you can't. What is the meaning of onomatopoeia? Oh, God. Oh, I have to laugh.
I know I want to go down. All right. Intense. All right.